Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your account has been flagged for potential abuse error in ChatGPT. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to check your region. So artificial intelligence or AI is still an area of ambiguity with regards to laws, rules, and regulations. So, Europe in particular has been very stringent with regard to the data collection and privacy policies. And as a result, Italy recently imposed a ban on on ChatGPT. So if you are in Italy and facing this error, this is likely the reason. So we recommend checking for recent changes in your region or country, as new regulations may have restricted or banned ChatGPT. So the primary reason for the ban in Italy is the lack of regulation of ChatGPT concerning minors and inconsistency in the data collected by OpenAI. So the ban is still under discussion and new updates should be available in the coming weeks. The next, what you can do is to clear cookies from your browser or use a new browser. So previous cookies from OpenAI and ChatGPT can cause the service to identify you and prevent you from signing up for a new account. So the best way to circumvent this is by clearing your cookies from your browser. However, many users have no access or have no success when doing this, but rather when using an entirely new browser. So you can check these steps right here if you don't know yet on how to clear your browser's cache or clear or clear the cookies of your browser. So these are the steps. So first, just click your settings and now click the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select privacy and security from the menu. And after that, click and select cookies and other site data and click onto the see all site data and permissions to view all cookies stored in your browser. And then after that, just click the search bar in the top left corner and search for OpenAI and click the bin icon beside the OpenAI. This is the bin icon right here to delete. So just click this to delete the cookies stored for ChatGPT and click clear to confirm your choice and close and restart Chrome on your PC. So that those are the steps on how you can clear cookies from your browser. And the next, what you can do is to use a new email address to sign up. So if you still receive the error indicating that your account has been flagged, you can attempt to resolve the issue by registering for a new account using a different email address. So users have reported success when creating accounts with new email addresses from providers such as Gmail, Outlook, or AOL. So therefore, we recommend creating a new account with one of these email providers and attempting to sign up for OpenAI once more. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.